Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I'm right back here with another video tutorial for you guys. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all how I made this beautiful headband over there. Oh my god, I never believe I could achieve that, guys. Hey, Jen, don't talk carpet that. If you don't know what to do. It was a very beautiful experience for me, and I just decided to carry you guys along so you could see the process of how I achieved that headband out of cartons, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Hit that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. And to my old subscribers, I love you, I love you, I love you guys. Thank you for sticking around, and let's get to the video. So the first thing you're gonna do is have the measurement of your bed, so you'd know what you're working with. After that, you get very thick cartons and place them in order to get the measurements of the bed you want to work with. So if you don't have really thick cartons, you can go ahead and double more cartons, you know, to get the desired width that you want. Then I'll take my evostick gum and, you know, gum the cartons to each other. After gumming them together, I'll take my measuring tape, you know, to measure the width and the height of the bed I want to work with. And then I'll take this very strong sellotape and tape all the cartons together to give me one straight board. So I'm going to be taping this all around the cardboard, like a few times, 2 or 3 times, you know, until I make sure that it is very strong and sturdy. And yes, we've got ourselves a straight board. So all I did was, you know, join everything together with the sellotape, and then any part of the cardboard that wasn't straight or was bending, I just added, you know, a cardboard to it to make it straight and sturdy. So you just check your cardboard. If one side is heavier than the other side, you try to add more cardboard so that everything will just be uniformed, just like you see me do here. And please don't mind my mini helper, like she was just everywhere, you know, excited and wanted to help mommy help mommy work, guys. So in order not to have like different partitions on the board, I'll just take a straight cardboard and cover the whole board, so I'd have a smooth surface to work with. And after that, I'll just add gum on top of the part I want to add my foam on. After adding the gum, I will now take my 2-inch foam. I got this 2-inch foam from a market in Lagos called Mushin Market, and I'll attach that to my cardboard. So after attaching the foam to the board, all I'm doing right now is, you know, taking this ink and marking where my tufting is going to begin. So I'm just marking 4 inches from the top of the foam all around the board. So my tufting is going to be starting 4 inch from the beginning of the board, you know. So it's not going to start from the main edge, just like see me do. Then the tufting is going to be 8 inches apart, like 8 inches horizontally and 8 inches vertically. Then after that, I'm gonna now measure another 8 inches in the middle, just to have this diamond shaped tufting. Just follow what I'm doing. It's very, very pretty easy. And I'm just gonna take this equipment I have, you know, one bag equipment like that, and try to, you know, make holes for the tufting. And this was one of the parts that gave me, like, it was too much, like I was tired of pulling the foams out, guys, so I needed help. And as you can see, I had mini helpers. Okay, after that, you now take the fiber, cover your fiber, and just use your finger to locate where the holes are, you know, and then open them up with your fingers. and after that you gum the fiber in the back of the board. And then it's time to work with your fabric. So you can work with any fabric of choice. I'm working with this velvet fabric. It's also gotten from a market in Mushin, and I'm going to be using this staple gun to staple, just use my fingers to find out where the hole is, and I'm going to staple everything down all the way to the cardboard, just like you see me do. And make sure that you leave space, like you leave a lot of fabric on all sides of your board, so you'd be able to tuck everything under after you're done with the tufting. So guys, you just tuft following all the holes you previously made. And someone might ask, why do I add the fiber to the foam? The fiber just helps the fabric, stay smoothly, on the board. So that's what I was told. And yes, the fiber made, everything becomes smooth and beautiful. So I'm just, using my fingers to locate where the hole is. If the hole is too small, I just use my finger to, make it bigger, and then use the staple gun and staple everything like multiple times, because I realized when I staple like once or twice, everything will just pull out again. So I had to, staple like multiple times until I know that it was, everything stayed well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my tufting without talking. Just follow what I'm doing. It's pretty very easy, guys. So if you've watched up to here and you're not subscribed to my channel, click that big red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, guys. I love you, I love you, I love you. And to be truthful, guys, like, it wasn't easy doing this. It was not easy at all. Like, thumbs up to all the carpenters around. Like, they're amazing. It wasn't easy doing this. As you can see, I had to take like another cloth to help me be able to staple down that stuff well, because it was already paining my hands, guys. And voila, we are done tufting. Oh my god, I love it. It came out so beautiful. And now I'm just gonna tuck on the excess fabric behind the cartons. As you can see, we still have our cartons behind, guys, so I wasn't lying. It was cartons I made this out of. And again, do not mind that small madam over there. Like, she was just doing her own thing while I was doing mine. So you'd go ahead and tuck in the excess fabric at the back of the cartons. And oh my god, this is why this project lasted so long, because this madam would not allow me rest. Okay guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking that big red subscribe button. I love you guys, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So after I was done tucking in the excess fabric, when I turned the board over, I realized that some spaces that I tufted, the pins popped out. So all I did was just go ahead and recheck that everything, was sturdy, and wherever there was a mistake, I just restapled it in. And now I'm going to be using these crystal buttons to fill in, cover the staple pins. And OMG guys, this is just absolutely beautiful. This came out super duper beautiful, more than I expected, guys. So all I'm just gonna do is take this and just place it on my bed. on the head of my bed, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Do stick around for more videos coming up in this channel. If you're not subscribed to my family, join that family by clicking that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family, guys. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.